Hey, this is Tony with DecoNetwork. Uh, every now and then we get a question that comes in, and it's going to be, why are my decoration processes not available for all of my products? Example, why is DTG not available for any of my products? Why is sublimation not available for any of my products? And you'll see here, uh, sublimation and embroidery, I don't have them available all the way down the list. So if your products list looks something like this, 99% of the time, it's because something changed in your Smart Select rules for this decoration process. So let me show you how to identify um, why these products were deselected, and then I'll show you how to correct it. Okay, so we'll just look at sublimation and have a look here. So let me look at, we'll go to decoration processes, and I'm going to go to sublimation and Smart Select rules. Okay, so here we can see the types of attributes that we are allowing sublimation to be printed on. You'll see that these are the only products with these attributes will allow these decoration process. So what we can do is I'm going to open products in a different tab here, and we'll go on over, and I'll just pull up this first product here so we can have a look. And what you can do here is go to Views and Decoration Areas, and then we can go to See the Attributes. And here it's going to give us a list of these attributes, and we can compare them to our current Smart Select rules. So you can bounce back and forth here. It's probably be easier to split screen it here, so that's what I'll do here. And we will split screen it. Okay, so now we can just go down the list and compare and see what happened here. So if we look at color type is dark, I can see right off the bat, I don't have dark selected, so that's what's preventing me from using sublimation on this product. So I can go ahead and choose that and save it, but I just want to make sure that everything else uh, is good to go too. So, and I'll look at material, 100% cotton, not selected here. So that's what's holding that up, um, that as well. Let me scroll down here just to look at these other attributes. Weave is tight, that's selected. Almost smooth, that's good to go. Stretchability, medium, good to go. Has buttons, no, good to go. Has pockets and pattern is not selected here. So the system wouldn't, uh, it's just going to ignore the setting here. So these wouldn't be relevant to that. So what we found here is that because dark and 100% cotton is not selected, it wouldn't apply this decoration process for any of these products that have these attributes. Uh, so let me just go into another one just so we can have find another one here and see. Let me choose a different supplier here. I'll just go to a random item on the page here, and we'll have a look here. So, uh, okay, so DTG isn't available on any of these products too. It was on the front of my list, but let me go have a look and see why it's not available for DTG. Smart Select rules. Okay, so we'll see here my DTG. I have all the colors selected in 100% cotton. So let me see why this product does not have DTG available for it. So I'll go into product attributes. Okay, so color type is dark. That's fine because I have that selected. 100% polyester, and that's it right there. So uh, it wouldn't allow me to use that decoration process on 100% polyester, and that's what's preventing it from being printed. Uh, Weave is tight, almost smooth finish, stretchability medium, has buttons no, has pockets no, pattern doesn't matter. Um, yeah, so if you ever run into this situation where you have where your product list looks like mine, where you just have no availability all the way down, it's sure to be something in your Smart Select rules. So I would have a look at that. Just compare your attributes. Make sure that the attributes that are in the product are matching the Smart Select rules, and you should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Take care.